Now, before proceeding, just quick some update, which is not an update. Mostly all of you has been informed, but still I am saying the SBR exam for September will be CBE based, and in India remote based. In other countries also, in India remote based. That means direct from home. Okay, direct from home. IFRS exam for September 2020 not possible in India. In other countries also, but in Middle East, Dubai and all that, the exams are there. But in Middle East, it is pen paper based. Then IFRS exam all over the world will be CBE, computer based assessment, CBE based from December 2020. Now, what will be the situation of Corona in December? Don't know. I meant to say, according to me, the things will solve all over the world. Maybe in 1 or 2 months, the things will solve. That is my projection, not I am God. So the exams will be in center for everything. But if in December the Corona situation is like this only in India, then the December exam for IFRS will also be from home. CBE from home. But it is very early to say this. I can just project that maybe the exams for IFRS also in December will be from home. But whether it is from home, whether it is in the center based, it will be CBE. It will be CBE based. CBE exams, if I will say remote basis, the first thing we need to go on ACCA website and read do's and don't do's. Which are normal that in your wherever you will be giving exam, maybe in your office, maybe at your relative place, maybe at your own place, wherever you will be giving exam, it should be a covered place, and on your desk, other than the computer or the laptop on which you will be giving exam, nothing should be there. You can use a calculator, physical calculator, not two, only one calculator. There is no paperwork you can do. All working you need to do on a scratch pad. And during the exam time, you cannot go to washroom. You have to be fully there, presence for entire 3 hour 15 minutes, 3 hour exam time, 15 minutes. You can say the reading and all that, which is given in exam hall also. And you can have a water bottle, which should be a clear water bottle, only one. So there are some nitty-gritties they have mentioned, which we should be reading before proceeding. That is the first thing, do's and don't do's. They are properly written on the ACCA website. You just go there. It is showing that what can be on your desk when you give the exam. The second thing, system check. System check, there is I mean to say system check. I am not a technical person, because do's, don't do's does not require any technicality, normal thing. But system check, your system from which you will be giving exam, computer, laptop or anything, that need to be tested. There is a system check guidelines given. Your system will be tested. You should be testing that system only on which you will be giving exam. There is no size specified by the institute for a system. It should be 17 inches. Many students are complaining that it is just saying resolution. On the screen, the resolution should be such that so that you will be able to open the question paper properly. So if the resolution is not there, already the institute will cancel the system. So the system checks should be done. If your system is approved, then only on that system you can give the exam. If you find any problem in system checking and all that, there is a mail ID information are given there. But if you ask me or anybody who don't have technical knowledge, they will not be able to help you in system check. But I can say that, Anamitra, you were doing CIMA exams. There are, in last 2 months, more than around 50-60 students, I will say around 100 students gave the CIMA exam. Earlier, they were also thinking that system check and all that, but there is no problem. If somebody don't have internet properly, then he need to go at that place where internet is there. But you cannot give exam in a club or somewhere where people are there. Your exam where you will be sitting should be covered by 4 walls, and there should not be any entry or exit from that room, that place when you will be giving the exam. That is their criteria. It's not necessarily your own home. And the proper internet and power supply should be there. Now nobody can, as I say always, if I'm going to exam hall and I met with an accident, what will happen? Exam cannot be given. So don't think in those lines. If proper internet and power supply is there and the system is normal, it's not 15-20 years old, then the system check will happen. Now suppose you have done a system check in Kolkata, but on the exam day you will be there in Delhi. Maybe you need to, where you will be giving exam, again do a system check. So maybe presently you don't know whether you will be there in which city. That is not a problem. But if you are doing system check in India, it's the exam should be in India. You cannot give exam in Dubai, because in Dubai the exam is center based. Why you will be giving the remote exam in Dubai? Not allowed. If you are in India anywhere you can give exam. There is no problem. If you tested at one place, then at another place you want to give exam, before that you need to do the system check there also. When the exam will start, you need to log in. When the exam will start, you need to log in 30 minutes earlier. Suppose my exam is scheduled at 10 a.m., then I need to log in at 9:30 a.m. The invigilator, for every student there is an invigilator. You will switch on your camera. The invigilator will be asking you all the nitty-gritties which is required. Simple thing I can say. He will be asking you, when the system check you will do that time also, but when the exam will start, half an hour before when you log in, he will ask you, take the camera at all the 4 walls, top down on your desk. He will take the photo. He will take your ID proof and all other responsibilities which is given to him. He will take all the things. He will see that the room is closed. He will see that everywhere 360-degree, there is no problem before you start the exam. Once he give you approval that now you can start the exam, your mobile should not be there in front of you. Your mobile should not be reachable when you are starting your exam. So everything he will take care, whatever instructions is given to him. And then he will allow you, now you can start the exam. So that formalities will take half an hour. So that you can say any student should not be using any unfair means to pass the exam. That the exam can be conducted with full ethical principles. For that reason, half an hour earlier the login should be done. And then when the exam starts, you cannot go to washroom, you cannot use your mobile phone, you cannot use any paper. The exam will start. You will be taking the exam 3 hours, 15 minutes reading time, and 3 hours the exam time. During the exam, your camera should fully remain open. They will be regularly viewing here and there 360 degrees, so that you are not, or anybody is not using unfair means. When the exam is over, When you submit your paper, then you will get a confirmation that your exam was properly done. Not the marks and results that will be coming later, but then your exam is over. So those are the things I can say that when we are planning those who are ACCA students giving a skill level and professional level exams in India, which is remote based, they should be fully studying on computer only, which I am saying since last 5 months. We started the classes in March, beginning around 10th or 11th, and it's July is coming, and we have studied a long so many times. So I have always said from the first class only, study on computer only, don't take any printout. For IFRS student, I said earlier that the June exam was pen paper based, that was cancelled. September exam was pen and paper based, that is also cancelled. Now for IFRS student also, the exam is computer based, CBE only. It's not remote based, it will be in the center, but that is in December. And IFRS student also, I have always said, always, don't take printout, don't underline anything, do all the studies on computer. Whether the exam is computer is in the exam center or it is in the home, it will be computer based only. For ACCA in December in India, what will be the exam process? We cannot communicate now, even the institute can't say. The CBE process will start from March. It was projected March 2021, but to save the time of the students, to give them the opportunity to give the exam, to clear the papers, the institute has introduced this, that your September term will not be lost. So for that reason, they have introduced the computer based exams in India for professional level also, even though it was projected, it was supposed to start from March. So only one term is left, which is December. That also we don't know what will happen. When the students are already friendly with the computer based exams in September, maybe in December also it will be computer based only. So ACCA students should always study on computer. Don't take printout. Even though somebody is giving you printout, don't take it. Give it back. Study everything on computer. Do your questions on the screen. Do go in on the ACCA website. Do the papers the way you will be feeling comfortable, so that in this 1.5 month, which is still there, today is 27th, exam is 11th, 12th, whatever. So 45, 50 days are there. Maybe you have studied with a pen and paper based, you have taken a printout, but my advice from today only, don't use any printed material which you have. That's my request. If you want a better comfort level in the exam. Otherwise, even though you know the things, but the speed will be very less, practice will be lacking, and then in that case, maybe we will not be able to give proper results. So it's my advice. I always say, since March I am saying, if you can see the first video which is uploaded on YouTube, since March I am saying, and again I am reminding this the last time, that if you are taking a printout, if you are studying for printout basis, Somit can study because Somit is giving exam in Dubai, pen and paper based in September, IFRS exam. But those students who are from India and giving IFRS exam in December, and those students who are ACCA, please don't study anything from your printout or any material, which I am saying since last 2 years, not only this batch, but we need to change. If we don't change, nobody will accept us. So for that reason, change is the most important thing which we need to accept in life. If we regularly don't change, we will never be able to grow in our life. So for that reason, it's not a problem. It's very simple. My 1.5 months will be going in this process only. How can you feel better that when you will be giving exam on computer based, it is far, far easier than copy pen based exam. That is my objective of coming 1.5 month. I will be doing everything on the screen only. I will be solving the questions on a screen only. Everything on a screen. But when I will solve on screen on the institute website, then when the class is over, I will not be able to share the answer, because once I will close that, I can take a screenshot, that I can do. But once I will close the window of ACCA Institute, the answer which I have done, it's gone. We are trying our level best for those who are giving exam in September. Maybe IFRS students, maybe you can say ACCA students, all subjects, not only SBR. We will be giving you mock paper. That mock paper you will be solving just like exam format in 3 hours only. But nobody will be invigilating you. It's for your purpose. You will submit the answer, and then I will evaluate your answer and give you feedback. Because in the class it is not possible. Reason being that suppose there are many students, half are good, half are bad, half has joined recently, half has joined earlier, half has a good brain level, half don't have. So a 3 hour paper in the class can be solved in 6 to 7 hours, and nobody will be doing the class for 6 to 7 hours. So in any class we cannot able to solve the entire 100 marks paper. That's the problem. And if I am solving the 100 marks paper, then I cannot explain anything. I will be just solving like a student. So our class purpose is not that I am a student and giving exam. Our class purpose is to make you understand. So in the entire 3 hours paper, I will be giving mock papers. Let the 2, 3, 4 days let over. Then I will be mailing you. That is, institute will be supporting me. They will be giving me you the question paper in the same format the way it will be there in the exam hall. And then you will be solving on the software. It is not pen and paper based. So if Somit will say that, sir, can I solve pen and paper based? That is not possible. It's pure system based. The institute will share with me the mock papers after discussion with me. The student will be given exactly a particular time, 3 hours, 15 minutes, as per the convenience of the student. He will submit the answer. He should not be looking anything from the book or anything, thinking that he is giving exam. You will submit your solution. I will evaluate them and give you feedback. That will be done in the month of August for all those who are giving computer based exam in September. Even the IFRS student can be accommodated. Just that is advised by the institute to me, because IFRS exam in September is not there. I can request them that IFRS student can solve the paper on system based, not pen and paper based. But that paper will be for SBR. So the level will be high, but you can try. If anybody who has studied properly, then they can try. I will request the institute. But that is treated as just exactly feeling the exam, that you are in the exam hall and sitting there. That benefit will be possible. Okay, because it is not pen and paper based system provided by the institute. They are helping the learning partners which are gold approved to help the students to prepare for the exam better. For that reason, is there any specific doubt relating to this area, relating to this exam format or anything? They will not be giving 10 mocks, Anamitra. They will be giving me 1 or 2 mocks only. Full 3 hours, 15 minutes exam process that they will share. They have suggested me 2 mocks. So we will be sharing. Those 2 mocks are not there anywhere on the website. They are new questions. So those 2 mocks will be there, but not 10, 20 mocks. Okay. So I meant to say we should be clear. Because creating a mock again and again, then checking it, giving the feedback is not a 1 minute or 2 minute affair. It's a time consuming process. You can use desktop. There is no problem. Desktop, laptop, anything you can use. There is no issue. That when I will go on the solving the papers, then Salini, you can get a better feeling, I think. So let me go on the exam papers, mock papers. From the website only, you will get a better feeling. Because in general, so whatever is asked in the question, we need to write. Then we are getting the full marks. We will be getting full marks. But if you are not answering what is asked, you will not get any marks. That is the best presentation. So let me go on the ACCA website. While solving the papers, you will definitely get a feeling how can you score more marks. Your mobile number should be there with somebody of your mom, dad, your anybody should be there. So if there is any problem, then in that case they will call and that person will pick up the mobile phone. That's normal, simple issue. What do you think? Is this illogical or logical? So you keep your mobile phone with somebody who is reliable. So if there is any issue, they will connect on your mobile phone with that person. Then anybody has any specific query relating to exam or anything in place of sending WhatsApp message or anything, I am there live. Ask whatever your questions are there. I can answer whatever I know. If you ask any technical thing, I will say this because I am not a technical person, hardware, software person. Please be fast. If there is no doubt relating to exam pattern or anything relating to clarity of exam, then say something, write something. If there is everything done, then we should proceed in our study. Be fast. Just a request. Thank you.